Welcome to Spitzer Buick GMC Findlay. And here's a look at another one of our great vehicles for sale. And comes equipped with All-Star Edition, 10-way power driver's seat with lumbar, automatic emergency braking, convenience package with power equipment group, 120-volt instrument panel power outlet, Chevrolet Infotainment 3 premium audio system, wireless phone projection, theft deterrent system, hitch guidance, lane keep assist with lane departure warning, and has less than 25,000 miles on the odometer. Saving you more since 1904. The Spitzer family of dealerships is proud to provide our friends and neighbors with the best purchasing and owning experience in Ohio. We have a friendly staff and provide a fun atmosphere for our guests. And we offer the best value for the lowest price. So give us a call or stop by Spitzer Buick GMC Findlay today, where our world revolves around you.